mangabe kuwukuthi by now sewazi ulwazi olungaka esulikhiphayo kodwa akushintshi lutho kweyakhe impilo inside or outside, yazi ukuthi iphutha likuwena, uwe onephutha. Now I told myself the same thing in 2022, 2023 when things were not playing out. I knew ukuthi I'm the one who is constantly doing ama mistakes. Mhlambe imistake iyona leyo ukuthi you want so much ukuthi ubone reality shintsha to the point ukuthi unalento ekuthiwa emotional attachment to an outcome, and mawune emotional attachment ke to an outcome, into eyenzekalayo mawungaliboni lolu shintsho olufunayo wena, you are creating the very same reality le othi uzama ukuyibalekela because you are attached to the outside reality. So it dictates your emotional state. Should your person reality creates your personality. So a feedback loop here, reality and personality. So you're not going anywhere. You are just, you keep replaying the same old you. So detach from seeing, detach from the outcome basically. Ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akhasha othi ngenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona, beka phansi umoya ungatatazili, uyabona. Yeah, akudetach nje. Uma uke wafinyelela esigabeni la khona at peace whether things change or they do not, then you have mastered the art. Because uma ngabe uzoba attached kwi outcome, ube attached ekuthenini ufuna ukubona izinto zishintsha, iyakutesta ke universe ukuthi wena lo muntu othi uyena, wena at peace, wena we are this, wena we are that, lo muntu othi wena usuyena manje uyena ngempelani, yenza nje things just fall apart nje laphambi kwakho, and then kufuneka ukubonakala I reaction yakho ukuthi izothini. And because the old you is just an entity, thought forms and thought patterns, you just react the same way. Yabo? But why things are happening this way, blah blah blah. In each and everything that is happening outside yourself, you just bring